विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आज आपणास मी प्राध्यापक SB शिंदे सांगू इच्छितो की कोविड-19चा संसर्ग वाढल्यामुळे महाराष्ट्र शासनाने दिनांक 24/7/2020 रोजी इयत्ता 12वीचा सर्व विषयाचा 25% सिलेबस कमी केलेला आहे. विशेषतः मॅथमॅटिक्स अँड स्टॅटिस्टिक्सचा 25% सिलेबस कमी करण्यात आलेला आहे. त्याचे सर्व डिटेल्स ऑनलाईन पाठवलेले आहेत. महाराष्ट्र शासनाने 25% सिलेबस कमी करत असताना कोणताही चॅप्टर कमी न करता त्यातील मोठे असलेले काही कंटेंट्स कमी केलेले आहेत. त्यात आपला सध्या चालू असलेला चॅप्टर पेअर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाईन मध्ये जनरल सेकंड डिग्री इक्वेशन इन एक्स अँड वाय हा घटक पूर्णपणे वगळण्यात आलेला आहे. त्या घटकावरील थेरम 4.5 आणि एक्झरसाइज 4.3 पूर्ण कमी केलेला आहे. तसेच मिसलेनियस एक्झरसाइजमध्ये बरेच एक्झाम्पल्स कमी करण्यात आलेले आहेत. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आज आपण मिसलेनियस एक्झरसाइजमधील काही एक्झाम्पल पाहणार आहोत. Today I am going to discuss one example. Example 1 is find the joint equation of pair of lines through the origin and perpendicular to the lines given by x square plus 4xy minus 5y square equal to 0. Solution is given equation is x square plus 4xy minus 5y square equal to 0. This is the equation first. Given equation is x square plus 4xy minus 5y square equal to 0. This is the equation first. Compare with the equation. Compare with the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the homogeneous second degree equation. Therefore x square cancel. The coefficient of x square is a 1. The value of a is a 1. xy are similar. This xy and this xy are similar. 2h equal to 4 and y square are similar. b equal to minus 5. Therefore let m1 and m2 are the slopes. m1 and m2 are the slopes of line. m1 and m2 are the slopes of line. Therefore sum of the two slopes m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b. m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h by b. The value of 2h is a 4. This minus as it is. Minus 4 divided by the value of b is a minus 5. This minus cancel. The sum of the two slopes means m1 plus m2 is a 4 by 5. Therefore product of two slopes m1 into m2 equal to a by b. m1 into m2 equal to a by b. The value of a is a 1. The value of b is a minus 5. 1 divided by minus 5 means we multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. Minus. This is a minus 5 and this minus into minus 1 plus 5 means minus 1 divided by 5. The product of two slopes is a minus 1 by 5. This is the equation second. These lines are perpendicular. These lines are perpendicular. These lines are perpendicular. Their slopes are -1 divided by m1 and -1 divided by m2. First slope is a m1. These lines are perpendicular. This slope is a -1 divided by m1 and second slope is a m2. These lines are perpendicular, -1 divided by m2. Their equation is y equal to -1 divided by m1 into x, and y equal to second slope is a -1 by m2 into x. Therefore, this m1 into y, m1y equal to -x, and we multiply m1 into y, m1y equal to -1 into x minus x, and we multiply m2 into y, m2y equal to -1 into x minus x. This minus x transfers on left side. Minus x is a plus x. X plus m1y equal to 0, and second is minus x transfers on left side. Minus x is a plus x. X plus m2y equal to 0. There are two equations. First is a x1 plus m1y equal to 0, and second is a x plus m2y equal to 0. Joint equation. Join these two equations. Joint equation. Join the equation x plus m1y into x plus m2y equal to 0. X plus m1y into x plus m2y equal to 0. We multiply x into x, x square. X into x, x square. X into m2y, m2 into x into y, xy. We multiply m1y into x, m1 x into y, xy, plus we multiply m1y into m2y, m1 m2 y into y is a y square equal to 0. X square plus this xy and this xy are similar. m1 plus m2 into xy plus m1 into m2 into y square equal to 0. This is the slope of 2. This is the m1 plus m2. Sum of the slope is a m1 plus m2 is a 4y5. We put m1 plus m2 is a 4/5 into xy. We put m1 into m2 is a -1/5 into y square equal to 0. Therefore, we multiply 5 into this equation. 5 into x square, 5x square plus 5 into 4/5 into xy plus 5 into -1/5 into y square equal to 0. This 5 and this 5 are cancelled. 5 cancel. This 5 and this 5 are cancelled. Therefore, 5x square plus 4xy minus 1 into y square minus y square equal to 0. This is the required equation. This is the required equation of line. passing through the origin which is a perpendicular. 5x square plus 4xy minus y square equal to 0. This is the required equation of line. We discuss the next example. If the slope of one of the lines given by 3x square minus 4xy plus ky square equal to 0 is 1, find the value of k. This is the solution is given equation of line is given equation of line is 3x square minus 4xy plus ky square equal to 0. This is the equation first. The auxiliary equation of first represented by line is km square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation of the given homogeneous equation of 3x square minus 4xy plus ky square equal to 0. Ky square means divided by x square, y square divided by x square means m square, km square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. Therefore, given slope m equal to 1. Km square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. Given slope m equal to 1. Put this equation. K into m square. The value of m is a 1 square, minus 4 into the value of m is a 1 plus 3 equal to 0. The given slope is a 1, m equal to 1. Put the value of this auxiliary equation. Km square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. K into the value of m is a 1 square is a 1, k into 1 minus 4 into the value of m is a 1, minus 4 into 1 is a minus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, k into 1 k minus 4 plus 3 k minus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 4 plus 3 is a minus 1, k minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 transpose on right side, k equal to plus 1. The value of k is a 1. Okay. We discuss the third example. If the slopes of lines given by kx square plus 5xy plus y square equal to 0 differ by 1. Solution. Given equation is a kx square plus 5xy plus y square equal to 0. This is the equation first. Kx square plus 5xy plus y square equal to 0. This is the equation first. Compare with the equation. Ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square equal to 0. This is the homogeneous second degree equation. Therefore, this x square and this x square are similar. The value of a equal to k. this xy and this xy are similar. Xy cancel. 2h equal to 5. Y square cancel. The coefficient of y square is a 1. Therefore, the value of b is a 1. A equal to k. 2h equal to 5 and b equal to 1. Therefore, let m1 and m2 are the slopes of line first. Therefore, sum of the two slopes m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b. Sum of the two slopes, first slope is m1 and second slope is m2. This addition is m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b. The value of 2h is 5, this minus, as it is minus 5 divided by the value of b is 1, minus 5 by 1 means m1 plus m2 is minus 5. And product of two slopes, therefore m1 dot m2 equal to, we use the formula a by b. m1 dot m2 equal to a by b. The value of a is a k and the value of b is a 1. K by 1 is a k. m1 plus m2 is a minus 5. m1 dot m2 is a k and the given difference of two slopes means m1 minus m2 equal to 1. Differ by 1 means the given difference of two slope is 1. m1 minus m2 equal to 1. We use the formula. Therefore, m1 minus m2 bracket square equal to m1 minus m2 bracket square equal to m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4 m1 into m2. We use the formula. m1 minus m2 bracket square equal to m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4 into m1 dot m2. m1 minus m2, the given difference of two slope is 1 square. m1 minus m2 is 1 square. Sum of the two slopes is a minus 5 bracket square minus 4 into the product of two slopes m1 dot m2 is k minus 4 into k. Therefore, 1 square is a 1 equal to 1 square is a 1 minus 5 square is a plus 25 and minus 4 into k minus 4k. Therefore, this 25 transpose on left side 1 minus 25 equal to minus 4k 1 minus 25 minus 24 equal to minus 4k. This minus and this minus are cancelled. Therefore, we write 4k equal to 24. K equal to, transpose this 4 on right side, 24 divided by 4. Therefore, k equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24, k equal to 6. Therefore, the value of k equal to 6. K equal to 6. Okay.